Hello, it's Saliha from Spoken World Productions, and it's great to have you back here with us. Today I'm just doing a really quick video on one of my favorite games to play with both Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2, just to get them to recall and understand what different emotions they have, what different emotions they may come across when they see a text, and also the kind of emotions that you may be looking for them to demonstrate in a performance or just in general role play. So naturally children tend to think about the basic ones: happy, sad, excited and scared. But what about confused? What about exhilarated? So taking it a little bit to the edge and asking them to really expand on excited and go just that little bit further, perhaps to exhilarated. What about shy? And thinking about how their body might be positioned when they're shy. So taking scared and reducing it and maybe making it a bit more compact, and changing the facial expression to shy. So there are different ways to demonstrate these examples of expression, and what I'd love to see is if you can incorporate this particular game, which is fun and can be brought down so that Key Stage 1 reception in Year 1 can really enjoy this, or even brought up so that Year 6 and above can really take it to town, and the more children the merrier. It's called Spaghetti. With spaghetti, you ask the children to take the word and they're supposed to encompass a particular emotion that you bring forward, you say, and they will use the word spaghetti to demonstrate how this emotion is supposed to transpire on their face, in their bodies and through their voice. So if I say, I'd like you to say the word spaghetti in a really worried way, then they're supposed to use their bodies to demonstrate how they might feel if they're worried. Their facial expression should change to worry. But the difficulty comes when all they can do is just say, spaghetti. And that might be their worried voice. But they're supposed to use a worried face. They're supposed to use worried actions in their body as well. How about using the emotion scared? Spaghetti! How about using the emotion bored? Spaghetti. How about using the emotion, okay, let's go with happy. Spaghetti! And so on. So you can have a lot of fun and play around with it, and just explain that you can use so much in the way of body language, so much in the way of facial expression, that you don't actually have to say very much at all. This is about delving into how you can demonstrate what you're feeling inside and then bring that out in a character. So it's brilliant for characterization. It's brilliant so that when you are actually delving into a new story or a new character or a new play, just getting your head around how the feelings are of this particular character supposed to be displayed. And setting the lines aside, even if you're supposed to be doing line learning, if it's not quite coming together and you just really want the emotion of the performance to really resonate with the performers, try this game. Ask them to delve in to just the emotion alone and use as few words as possible. Get into the physicality of it and just use one word: spaghetti. It's as simple as that. Let us know if you use this, and don't forget to tag us at Spoken World Productions, and we're over on Instagram.tie, and we're here of course on YouTube, not forgetting we're the Spoken World team, and that's over on Facebook. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care. Bye.